How were you able to come through with this coveted championship?
Well, it was a lot of work, and I was well worth it. I spent hours working on that lawnmower to get ready for this race.
Sebastian, you've been able to do something that no one has ever done. You lapped the field. I know you're not going to tell me all your secrets, but how were you able to achieve such an accomplishment?
Hard work and a smaller pulley.
A smaller pulley, folks. That's it. Determination, hard work, and a smaller pulley. It takes a big man to admit that. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's all hear it for Sebastian, the 2010 Firelight 13 Crosslight Microscope Lawnmower Racers! Sebastian, I've been instructed to keep you up here and ask a few more questions. What do you plan on doing next year to retain the title? You mean your training regimen won't change?
No, it won't.
Is there anything, you know everyone's going to be gunning for you. You're going to have a target on your back. Is there anything more you're going to do to dig deeper?
I don't know.
He doesn't know.
Good one.
I hope that wasn't my beer.
It's alcohol abuse.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for another successful year here at the Firelight 13 Ferguson Grove Cross Lake 2010. Next year will be 2011 lawnmower races. Please feel free to join us for a mission picnic. And thanks once again for another successful year.